This is a table about unfortunate case which we saw these days in the Facebook. A Jewish person with the name Ari Rotter put in the Facebook a note saying, "Pity that Hitler did not finish off all the Orthodox Jews." Definitely very, very strange. A Jewish person who wanted Hitler to destroy and to kill, to finish off all the Orthodox Jews. How can be such a thing? So Kabbalah tells us that in fact it can be that sometimes because Jews not keeping the Torah, being involved in wrong things, can get a soul of the Amalekite which comes here letter after letter, whose angel is a Samael. You can see clearly coming here also. It can come into a Jewish body, and this person can have hatred, terrible hatred, like we have here also, Sorer, like hating very strongly, and a Jewish one, Yehudi, a Jew. This is one of the best meetings the Torah of this. And unfortunately, even the word Nazi comes here because some connection to those who hate so much the Jewish people. So such a phenomena, which unfortunately everyone saw, and it was a big row about it in the Israeli radio, definitely that a Jewish person did such a thing, wishing that all Orthodox Jews will be killed, destroyed by Hitler. Definitely this is something to pay attention to, but it is not strange because the Torah Kabbalah tells us that there is such a thing that the Amalekite soul can come into a Jewish body, but it can do tshuva, it can repent definitely, as everybody has the possibility to do it.